delighted to be looking out here at everybody today, and you all look spectacular. You look bloody gorgeous, and I'm just delighted. So it's been a fantastic day so far, and I know the evening's only going to get better.
I'm going to take you back to August 1991, and in my shirt today I have cufflinks, which I'm very proud of. They were given to me by a groom at a wedding that I attended. I was best man at that wedding. The groom was a very good friend of mine, and without him, none of this today would be happening. And that person, of course, is Carmen's father, Charlie. To Charlie.
What you're doing today is a wonderful, splendid and amazing thing. And I don't just mean gathering all your guests here today, getting married in a lovely church with a great big marquee next door. I mean to come and show that two people love and care for one another is a great thing.
Carmen, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage.
Ricardo, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage.
With my body I'll honour you.
With my body I'll honour you.
All that I am I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God, Father, Son and Holy Spirit.
Ricardo, you may kiss your bride.
Thank you for coming. We really, really appreciate it. And I cannot believe that you all are so glamorous. It's like being in a room full of rock stars and film stars. The style. How handsome does the groom look, everyone? That's my husband.
I love you, Carmen.
I love you too.
Yeah, you look absolutely stunning. I mean, like...
I'm a big supporter of FC Zurich. Yeah. My granddad once said, like, yeah, FC Zurich is your first love. It was my first love, and then I met Carmen, so...